Whatever you're thinking right now, I want you to stop. Stop. Hold that thought. I know exactly what you're thinking. You're probably saying, what could this guy possibly teach me about stocks? Talking in his bedroom? Try to teach me how to make money? Well, maybe you want to see me in a rented Lambo with a fake watch, talking about money, trying to sell you a master class. If that's what you want, then click away. Get out of here. But if you want to make money, if you want to learn valuable lessons in plain, simple English, then keep watching. Okay? That being said, allow me to teach you something very important. Let me ask you, what is the reason that you want to buy stocks? What is the reason that you buy stocks? Answer that question. Maybe you say, because I want to make a lot of money, or blah, blah, blah. Whatever it is, I want you to think. Just please hear me out. Hear me out for a few minutes. Why do you want to buy stocks? I can tell you why. You buy stocks because you want to sell those stocks later on. Think about that, please. You don't buy stocks because you want to collect them, right? You buy stocks because you want to sell those stocks later on and make a profit. You don't buy stocks because you like them, because you want to keep them, collect them, whatever. You want to make money. Now, that might sound simplistic, but listen, please. Listen. I'm about to teach you very valuable lessons here. Since you buy stocks because you want to sell them at a higher price and make a profit, in reality, you are a negotiator. You're a salesman. There are people that teach stocks and they talk stock market stuff in a very complicated language, in a very complicated way. Now, if this is your first time watching my videos, I want to tell you that I teach how to make money in the stock market in a very different way than other people. I use very simple examples, things that you do in your everyday life that will teach you important lessons. I use simple terms. Now, be patient, please, okay? You buy stocks because you want to make a profit. Now, to compare that with something that you're probably more familiar with, let's say that you buy cars. You're a negotiator. You want to buy cars and sell them at a profit. What do? If somebody offers you a car for $1,000, what do you do? Do you take $1,000 out of your pocket and buy the car? Or do you negotiate? Think about this. If he offers you the car for $1,000, that means that you have to sell that car later on for no more than, let's say, $1,000. Because if he's willing to sell you the car for $1,000, that means that there are other people willing to sell their cars at $1,000 as well. Now, what does that have to do with the stock market? If a stock, right? If the shares are at $100, and that's how much they're selling for today, I have to think that if I want to make a profit, the share price has to go up, or I have to buy those shares at a lower price. So I cannot pay you $100, because when it's time for me to sell, I will not make any money. So I have to wait or negotiate to get those shares, let's say, at $80 a piece. I cannot pay you $100, because then I won't be able to make money. I don't buy stocks to collect them. I buy shares because I want to sell them to someone else at a higher price. Bottom line. So I have to wait for the right opportunity to buy those shares. But now, this is what most people do. And if you're new at trading, or even if you have experience, you know this is right. The shares were $80 last month. 2 weeks ago, 90. Today, 100. And now you say, well, the stock price is going to continue to go up. I need to buy them right now. And many times, after you buy them at $100, maybe it goes up to 102, boom, and it drops. Now you're stuck. What happened? FOMO, fear of missing out. You thought the price was going to continue to go up. You fell for it. Remember, you're a negotiator. Forget about the term trader, day trader, invest. Forget about that. You are a negotiator. You need to find good sales, discounts, in order for you to to sell later at a higher price. So you need to set your limits low, and then lower, and then a little lower. Otherwise, you will never make money in the stock market. For me to buy shares, they have to twist my arm. It's like if they were like, buy my shares. I will make you buy my shares. That's how I buy shares. I cannot buy right now at the market price. I can't. Because I will not be able to sell those shares at a profit. You get what I'm trying to explain here? Again, I'm not the guy in a Lambo with fake jewelry and a rented Airbnb house, telling you about my success and how much money I made and how I fly first class and I make this much. Forget about that. I teach you in a very simple way, and I want to teach you the psychology of trading stocks. And I'm telling you, you must learn the art of negotiation, because that's what you are. You're a salesman. You don't buy shares because you want to keep them forever. No. You want to sell. If you don't understand that, I'm sorry, you will not make money. So the shares are at $100 right now. I need to find a way to get those shares at, let's say, 80. So I have to wait. But listen to this. The stock market is like a rubber band. Again, I told you I don't teach stocks like the rest of the people do. I'm probably weird. Who knows? I'm trying to teach you an important lesson here. The stock market works like a rubber band. Okay? Why? Because you have two groups at all times. You have people who want to buy because they think the price will continue to go up, and you have people who want to sell. Okay, so you have two groups. The one group wants to sell at the highest price possible, and the other group wants to buy at the lowest price possible. So they're constantly, right, fighting for prices, right? That's why you see stock prices, they go up, they go down, they go up, they go down, they go up, they go down. Sometimes the one group, right, is more powerful than the other. When that happens, you see a breakout. You see how the price starts moving in a direction, right? And it breaks resistance. Or sometimes the sellers are more powerful, right? The bears. And you see the price starts declining. It's a constant battle. There's no straight lines, so to speak, right? Nothing goes like this. And even when there is a bull market, you will still see retrace. You will still see how the price drops, even for a moment, right? Because the one group is always putting resistance on the other. Now, when there is not a lot of movement, right? There is not a lot of volatility. That means that you have to wait. Why? Because remember, you want to buy at a discount in order for you to sell. Now, if someone is selling me a car for $1,000, that means I have to find a way to buy that car at $800, not because I want to sell it at $1,000, because I want to sell it at $900, because I want to convince you to buy it from me. Do you get the point? If a share price is $100, you need to buy it at 80 so that you can sell it at 90. Why? Because you don't want to be the last person to sell. You want to sell, but not when the price starts declining. You want to be ahead of everyone else. Hopefully, I'm explaining this in a very simple way. I don't want to confuse you. So let's summarize. You are a negotiator. If you cannot twist my arm, if you cannot convince me to buy, I won't, my friend. I won't. Every day I'm looking for discounts, for sales, because that's what I do. Have you ever gone to trade in a car at a dealership? It's like they steal it from you, right? They steal it from you because they are negotiators. And that's what they do. They want to basically steal the car from you so that they can sell it later on. They negotiate. They wait for the right opportunity. They're like sharks if you don't have the shark mentality, you will not be able to make money in the stock market. It's not about predicting the future. It's not about predicting what's going to happen tomorrow. It's not about trying to predict the future. Tomorrow, the stock market will go up. It's not about that. It's about finding the right opportunity. Sometimes you have to wait for bad news, bad reports. And many people will panic and sell at a discount. That's when you buy, my friend. That's when you buy. And then you wait. That's what you do. Right? You cannot call everybody trading in the stock market, but you can bid. You can bid. You can set limit orders. You can offer money and wait. And sooner or later, my friend, the stock will come down because there is a constant battle. A group wants the prices to go up, but at the same time, there is another group waiting for the stocks to come down. Constant battle, constant battle, constant battle. Now, energy must be released. Okay? Otherwise, boom, the rubber band snaps. And sometimes you see a snap, like one group overpowers the other. You got stocks like, let's say, Tesla. In less than a year, it doubles up. You see cases like that, but they're not as common, okay? It's not as often that happens. Usually, energy must be released. Maybe this is not the way you want to learn how to trade. Maybe you're not used to this. You want to see charts and patterns and candlesticks. I could teach you that. Or I can talk to you like a friend in simple terms and teach you how to trade stocks. You want to be patient. Patience. Wait. Wait for the right price. Wait. There is something called volatility. Okay? And you see that all the time. You see the prices going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. All day long, all day long, all day long. So, if today the price starts going up, 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 you want to stretch it as much as possible. Up, up, up. When the price is up here, that's when you can buy puts. Because up here you have less probabilities that the price will continue to go up. There are more chances that, boom, some of that energy will be released and the price will go down. Maybe not all the way, but it will come down a little bit. So if today the S&P, the Dow opens up 5%, 3% higher, you don't want to buy calls, right? You don't want to, because that's fear of missing out. Oh my gosh, it's going up, 3%, boom. And the next day, what happens? or at 3:30 in the afternoon, there's a massive sell-off and now you got stuck, my friend. Now, the other way, if the stock continues to go down, 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 you don't fight the trend. That's not what I'm saying here. Okay? If you see the price going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, you don't fight the trend. But you want to wait until it starts hitting, the momentum stops. The momentum stops because there is another group pushing it down as well. Okay, the price is going up, but you got another group. You got the bears pushing it down. So at one moment or another, the price must come down. Not all the way, but it will come down. It will come down. Patience, my friend. Patience. You're a negotiator, okay? You are a negotiator. You have to convince me to buy your shares. So I will wait. I will wait for the right opportunity, the sale, the discount price. And that's when I buy, my friend. That's when I buy. Now, I won't be too greedy. If I buy at 800, I won't wait until it gets to 1,000. I will sell before the rest of the people start selling as well. Okay? Because by the time you identify a trend, some of it will be lost already. By the time you identify a trend, some of that momentum will be already gone. So I want to be ahead of the rest. What you could do is sell 30%. Right? If you're making money already, at least take 30% of the profit. If the stock goes down again, at least you made 30%. And if it continues to go up, you will make another 70%. Take profits, my friend. You don't buy shares because you want to collect them. You buy because you want to sell at a profit. So you must take profits. The price went up, I will sell 30% of my shares. It goes up even more, I will sell another 30%. If it goes down all the way, at least I made some money. If you're too greedy, you will not make money. You will lose. If you're too fearful, you will lose. Think about that. Think about that. No one knows if the stock is going to go up or down. Not even Warren Buffett. No one knows if the stock is going to go up or down or in circles. So since no one knows, you have to wait for the right opportunity. You want to wait for the stretch. Right? You have to wait when there is a lot of energy, right? The price is going up, 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 up. There is another group who's going to take profits, who's betting on the price to come down. Some of that energy will be released, my friend. Wait for the right opportunity. Be patient. Remember, you are a negotiator. You're a salesman, even if you don't fully understand it yet. So you have to think like a salesman, like a dealer, because that's what you are. Okay, my friend? Hopefully you learn something new. Hopefully you understand my way of teaching. If you don't, well, maybe this is not for you. If you like my videos, if you like the way I teach, I want you to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you have any comments, suggestions for me, let me know, because I'm always learning. I hope you make a lot of money in the stock market. Subscribe to my channel, share this video, give me the thumbs up. If you don't want, that's okay too. I understand. Your time is valuable. Perhaps you have better things to do than watching me in my bedroom, talking to you about everyday stuff. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in the next one.